Let's talk about if love is a losing game. Is it true? Talaga nga ba that love is a losing game? So, paano natin nasasabi na love is a losing game? When you love someone, you give time, you give effort, you give gift, you give the things that you really want. The true love is that when you give something and you do not expect in return. Ang totoong, talaga nga ba na talo yung taong totoong nagmamahal na walang ina-expect na kapalit? Because when we truly love someone, we give the most out of the things that kaya nating ibigay. Kailan nga ba nagiging losing game ang love? That is when the time that you give love and you expecting back or expecting in return to you. That is the moment that it becomes losing game. Because ito na yung time na nagiging selfish ka na. Iniisip mo na ano yung para sa'yo. Sabi nga, you can give something that you don't have. So, ibig sabihin, kapag you have the potential to give something, ibig sabihin, nag-overflow yung blessings na yun sa'yo. That's why you have something to give to someone, sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, sa mahal natin sa buhay. Kaya, napakasarap magmahal kapag alam mo sa sarili mo at lapat sa'yo na kaya magmahal na wala kang ini-expect na something in return. Nagiging talo tayo kapag ang intention natin is makukuha ng something back to us para maging okay yung pakaramdam natin, para maging masaya tayo. When we give something, it doesn't matter if it is small or big. It doesn't matter as long as that thing that you can give is come from your heart. Remember, game of love is not a losing game. When you can give the best that you can without expecting nothing, it is become the losing game when you expect in return. Ang sarap magmahal kapag wala sa isip mo ang mga bagay-bagay na kapalit. Kasi lapat sa'yo na ikaw yung may kakayanan magbigay. And hope you learn something from this simple motivation talk. Thank you everyone, and God bless.